Gor Mahia ended their three-match losing streak with a 4-0 thrashing of Zoo FC to bounce back to winning ways in a Kenyan Premier League match played at the Kasarani Stadium. Ephrem Guikan grabbed a brace in the game, scoring after 20 seconds and the 16th minute. Samwel Onyango then added a third to put Zoo further on the sword. Ugandan import Erisa Sekisambu then got his first for the club in the second half after coming off the bench. Both teams ended the game with a man down after Gor's Francis Kahata and Zoo's Dennis Kawanga were given their marching orders in the second half for getting physical.